What happens if Yellowstone erupts tomorrow? Right now, under one of the most famous national parks in America, there's a huge volcano quietly sitting underground. It's located beneath Yellowstone National Park. Most people visit the park to see geysers, wildlife, and beautiful scenery. But deep below the surface, there's a massive pool of magma. And if that volcano ever erupted, the effects could be enormous. Let's imagine what might happen. The first hours. If the supervolcano under the Yellowstone caldera erupted, the explosion would be huge, much bigger than most volcanic eruptions we see today. For comparison, scientists say it could release thousands of times more energy than the bomb used in the Hiroshima atomic bombing. Hot gas, rock, and ash would blast high into the sky. Near the volcano, fast-moving clouds of hot ash and gas, called pyroclastic flows, would race across the land. Anything in their path would be destroyed. Ash starts falling. Within hours, ash from the eruption would spread across large parts of the United States. The sky could turn grey in many areas. Cities in nearby states could be covered in thick layers of ash. Air travel would likely stop. Cars might struggle to drive. And breathing the ash could be dangerous without protection. It would be messy, dark, and very difficult for people living nearby. The effects spread. But the impact wouldn't stop there. Ash and gases from the eruption could rise high into the atmosphere and spread around the world. This could block some sunlight from reaching Earth. Scientists call this a volcanic winter. Temperatures could drop. Some regions might experience colder summers. Growing food could become harder in many parts of the world. Should we be worried? The idea of a Yellowstone super eruption sounds scary, but the good news is that scientists constantly monitor the volcano. According to researchers, a massive eruption like this is very unlikely to happen anytime soon. Yellowstone is still active, but right now it mostly produces geysers, hot springs, and small earthquakes. So while it's interesting to imagine what might happen, there's no sign that Yellowstone is about to erupt tomorrow. If it ever did, though, it would definitely be one of the biggest natural disasters in human history.